Continue. Let's apply. Let's use manipulating graphs and charts. Then followed by tools for quantitative analysis. Then tools for qualitative analysis. This is, of course, on top of our SPSS, on top of our NVivo. I will not discuss that because those are subscription based. We have to purchase, and those are not free, and those are not cheap. No? SPSS, NVivo, dili siya free. May free pag pumunta tayo doon sa may area na crack area. Okay, so in terms of manipulating charts and graphs, we can do that by using our MS Excel. Diba? For sure, we are all familiar with MS Excel chart. So say for example, if I will open my this one, this is what is the level of your skill, 231, and then 123, 123. You can actually perhaps make a pie chart to this. All you have to do is to just select your data, go to insert, and then always choose the recommended chart. Okay, you can always choose the recommended chart because the recommended chart will give you a best way on how to visualize your data. No? So it's up to you on how you can do that. Again, all you have to do is go to your Excel, go to insert, make sure to select which data you like. Most of the time, you have to reconfigure the placement of your data so that it will give you the correct placement. Just like this one, if you wanted to have a pie for this, all the data, the recommended, if you will choose that, it doesn't give you a value because the pie, every slice of the pie represents your respondents. No, but in my case, I don't want to do that because I wanted to see how many or what is the percentage who said average, how many percentage who said no, and so on and so forth. So again, it will still go to the process or procedure of processing and reconfiguring your data. No, so my intention is just to let you know where to click and how to do that in terms of the technology, but in terms of the processing, it's really up to the kind of interpretation or visualization you like to do from your data. Like for example, I for this one, like if I wanted to know how many, what is the distribution of those who responded in relation to MS Word, all you have to do is not to just simply look like this, but perhaps transpose this data. No, you are going to count how many who said yes, how many who said average, moderate, and others, which will lead me to the pivoting, the basic of pivot. No, so that we can appreciate, I will be using a large data. This is anonymized already. This is an actual result, actual survey data. Okay, but this is not being processed. I think. Okay, here, this is the cleaned one. Okay, so let's just work on here so that you can appreciate what I am telling, what I am sharing. So say for example, we are looking at their level of familiarity or their attitude toward the following concept. So item 1, item 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then their level of familiarity, competency in terms of the operation. So item 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Assume that that is already being done. So for example, I wanted to look at how many who said how many who are very good. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3. Let me check the responses here. Okay, so this is actually the first one. Mhm. So at present, so this is concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. So 4 for very good, 3 for good, 5 for excellent,